Know your body. Special facts. Open your books to page 36. We talked about different parts of the body in class one day. Here we have some more facts about different parts of the body. Nikhil, will you read the first two lines on the page? Our body has many parts. All parts are special. Read the following facts to see how special they are. Let's now read some of these special facts. Ruchi, will you read the first one?
The brain keeps working even when you are sleeping. That's interesting, teacher. I wonder when the brain rests.
No, Ria, the brain never rests. It works less when we are sleeping, but it doesn't stop working altogether.
We have two eyes, but we see one picture. How is that, teacher?
The brain takes the two pictures sent by the two eyes and makes them one.
There are millions of bacteria on our skin, but most of them are harmless.
Teacher, what does millions mean?
Millions means many, or a large number.
Our nose can remember 50,000 different scents or smells.
Tell us about some of the smells you like.
I like the smell of jasmine.
I like the smell of masala in food.
I love the smell of sandalwood, that is chandan.
Babies have around 300 bones in their body. As they grow up, the bones fuse together. Grown-ups have fewer bones than babies. There are 206 bones in their body. Yay! I have more bones than my father.
The body repairs itself. If the skin is cut or injured, blood starts flowing. After a little while, it clots. A scab forms on the cut. After a few days, the scab falls off. There is new skin under the scab.
Teacher, this has happened so many times for me.
And for me too. And when the scab falls off, I want to scratch the new skin.
Never do that, Jenny. The skin may get cut again and start bleeding. It is better to leave it till it heals completely.
The air from our sneeze can travel at a speed of about 160 kilometers per hour. When we cough, the air from our cough travels at about 95 kilometers per hour.
That is why we must always cover our mouths when we sneeze or cough. Sachin, will you read the last one?
A broken bone grows again and repairs itself. Doctors use a plaster cast to help it grow properly.
You learned a lot of new things about your body. Go home and read the lesson over and over again. Then tell your brother or sister or friends about these facts.